Hi, I'm Kim Jeter. I am a brand partner with Yelloow. Yelloow is an amazing new opportunity that just came out in the direct sales world. It is the very first hair extension company. We offer hair extensions, ponytails, lashes, and a lash and brow serum. Compensation plan pays 25 to 40% on your own personal sales, as well as a tiered compensation plan as you go up from 5% all the way up to 15%. And we also pay on infinite levels once you hit the top of the company. Not any company that I've ever heard of pays on infinite levels. Why did I join Yelloow? Yelloow. What's Yelloow? Why did I join Yelloow? I joined Yelloow because it was an amazing new opportunity, the very first hair extension company to be offered in the direct sales world. Hair extensions, ponytails, lashes, a lash and brow serum. There are so many more products that this company is going to introduce and to bring out into the marketplace. I am so stoked and so excited. I've been a part of the direct sales industry for almost 10 years, and I can tell you, even being at the top 2% of other companies, I have never actually hit a ground floor opportunity at the very, very beginning stages. It just launched officially on February 13th with our brand ambassador program, which is $49 to join, and almost like an affiliate program, but you can upgrade to a brand partner. That's what I am. I started with the kit. I so look forward to talking to you and giving you more information about this amazing company. I can't say enough about the hair and how amazing it is, and this compensation plan. I'd like to dig deeper into it with you. So contact me below. Be sure to subscribe below. Click the links if you'd like more information. Come on, shoot me a message. I'm so excited for this amazing opportunity and what it can do for you. Yelloow.